Okay, so here is an official in-depth room tour. This is a spa cabin, cabin 14702 to be specific, but let me just show you what all is in this cabin. And you have hooks here. I have a spa robe hanging on mine, but you can put your lanyards here. And then as you come in, there is a nice sofa, very comfortable, with some pillows. Over here, big nice mirror, hello, and ample storage. So we've got this little shelf that's kind of become our catch-all. You have a drink station. We did get a pitcher of water to keep in here, and then that's all my camera gear, because there's always lots of camera gear. The house phone, and then underneath you'll see there is a trash can, and then there's this that can serve as a seat to sit here at the vanity, or a little table, or a footrest if you want to sit and kick back on the couch. As far as plugs, we have this type of plug. This is for the coffee pot, and then you've got two here. So of course I bring my multi-extension, had no problem getting this on, and there are two plugs for it. Okay, down here underneath is your hair dryer, and that's where we're storing our backpacks. Inside is a mini fridge, but it is a filled mini bar, which is now locked. But anyway, it's got a little bit of everything in there. Okay, coming around, there are these storage compartments here, which we did not need to use, but they're there. And then another one here. Okay. And then you have your TV. And below the TV is a lot of information. So you've got a book that is your room service and minibar cost. And then you've got information on the art auctions, on security guide and global directory, and of course the spa. Okay, the bed is a big, nice king bed, which of course will also make into two twins. And then you have these nightstands here. And each room comes with two big NCL beach towels, which we have stored right there. Okay, on the other side is another one. Okay, no plugs on either side of the bed, but you do have light switches here. And then you have these lights on either side of the bed. And you have storage here as well for books and things like that. Okay, under the bed are the life jackets. Let's go under here. Okay, you see that cage in the back that's holding life jackets? And then lots and lots of room for your luggage. And then of course coming out on the balcony, there is a light. There it is. And you have two chairs and a little table. And this is the size of the balcony. Plenty sufficient for two people sitting out here. And where we are, there's the bridge, because we're on deck 14, which is where the bridge is. But you have this amazing view. Okay, coming into the bathroom, there is a definite step, so be aware of that. This is a nice sized bathroom. Hello. Okay, so we have hand soap and water glasses. So if you've got more people than two, you're gonna have more water glasses. Nice sink. Under the sink is more storage and a small trash container. You have a dispenser for tissues, your toilet paper, extra things down here, more storage, and then over to the side, plenty of storage. And that's where they're going to put the hand towels and the washcloths. Now the spa cabins come with these Bulgari toiletries, which the only thing that's left is the lotion, because we've used the shampoo, conditioner, and the soap. But in the shower, this is a big, nice shower. So you've got the removable shower head, that's adjustable. You have body wash and shampoo and conditioner, and you have storage space here, and then you have the clothesline. Tip, always bring clothespins, and that line is high enough, especially for us because we're short, we can just leave it up and leave the clothespins on it. So that's the bathroom. And there's a full-length mirror here next to the bathroom.
Yeah, in which
Jason is getting ready. Okay, and lastly is the closet. And it does slide both ways. So sliding this door open, you will see a bank of shelves. So there's a big shelf all the way across the top. And then shelves, there's your safe. So you can unpack all your foldables, and we put our shoes at the very bottom. The one thing the closet and storage is lacking is drawers. I wish it had drawers. And then plenty of hangers. We truly unpack. So we hung up all of our clothes. We bring a hamper to put things in, and then you've got plenty of storage for backpacks and things down there.
Because you gotta
that is true.
Typically we'll just reach over like this and get what we need, but
yeah,
you got about that much space between the couch and you can, you can technically get in here, but it's kind of an
yeah, that is true.
Inconvenient spot. Ain't bad. It's a nice room. By the way, more importantly than all of that, you can get football.
Yes, you can. They have the NFL Network. So we're here during football season, and they have the NFL Network. And we got a football turtle.
It's our little good luck charm. But yeah, you can get like the NFL Network or whatever they call it. They stream NFL, ESPN Zone or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But it's we watched a couple of games just to kind of go to bed too.
Yeah, the Monday night game and the Thursday night game we had on. So yeah, that's our spa cabin. Now I will say that, let me come over here, that we have seen some of these cabins open and they're reversed. So the bed is here and the couch and the vanity is over there against the balcony.
Flip it.
Yeah, so half of the balconies are going to be like this and half of them will be flipped with the bed first.
That one next door to us is reversed.
And
it staggers like that all the way down.
Yeah, and you'll have some of these that are connecting as well. This one is not. Because the connecting door would be right there.